Hello everyone. So today I want to show you an amazing AI website where you can create images and edit them itself in the same site with AI. So the name of this website is VisualGPT.io. As you can see here in the URL, I'll also share it in the comments and the description. Before we move on and show you how this works, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. And the reason why I'm showing you this websites where you can create a lot of AI images is because these websites are completely free to use. Like there are a lot of like more than 100 different websites where you can use and create AI images and videos. But the reason why I make videos on different websites is because these websites are completely free to use. What it means that this website gives you free credits, and through those credits you can create some images. As there are a lot of websites, there are a lot of competition, so that's why some website offer free services for AI generation. So let's try it out. I haven't tried this website before, but let's see how it is. As you can see, it's visually quite nice. It's minimalistic. And most of all, the main reason is that this website does not require you to sign in. If you want to, you can sign in and get extra 10 free credits. Or else you can just use this without login. As you can see, you can upload your images if you want to. You can create a new image using an existing image or use a prompt. Then select your aspect ratio in which you want the image in. If you want it to be in portrait, you can use uh, 9 is to 16. If you want it to be portrait, and in full screen, it's 4 is to 3 or 16 is to 9. So as you can see, we have 8 credits over here. And once you click on AI models, you can see the different AI models which are available to use over here. So one of the main you can see are Seed Dream 4.0 and Nano Banana. These two are kind of a good models for image generation. While rest of the models are also good, these are quite leading ones. I'll show you a different types of features which are available on this website. As you can see, there is AI image generator, then a lot of different perks or a lot of different features such as background remover, watermark remover, AI text remover, a lot of other features which you can browse here. The main functions of this website are on this left side home. After you click over here, this is for images. This is for AI photo studio, which you can try out for free. And then there is this know which AI models are present over here. Then there is AI room for people who are doing architecture or in interior designing who can use this for their projects. And AI visual card, and then here you can just check out your projects and creations you have done. So as you can see, I'm just giving a overview of this website. There are a lot of features which you can browse through, and this is completely for free. There is the support button if you want any support regarding any issues you face on this website, and there is appearance. You can change it to light or dark. Dark looks pretty good. I prefer dark mode. Then you can also change the language, and I'll just show you how AI image generator works. So for this, we are going to use, as you can see, this 4, 15, 4 are the credits which are used for per generation of an image. So if you select Seed Dream, it will use 3 credits. If you select Seed Dream 4.5, it uses 5 credits. Let's go with this one. As you can see, we have 8 credits here. There are a lot of settings which you can choose from. Photo, illustration, 3D, poster, art. Wow, this looks pretty good. So let's give a style to it. Let's go with art. I want to see how art looks like this style looks in. So you can also create poster for AI campaigns if you have. Click on the aspect ratio, which is the most important thing. If you want it to be like this in full screen, this is 16.9, and if you want it to be in portrait, it's 9 to 16. So let's give a prompt. So this here is a prompt. Let's click on generate and let's see how it is. Wow, this image is so good. It literally made it as per the prompt which was given, and as you can see, this art style is so good. So you can use this on daily purposes. You get free new credits every single day you log in, but bear in mind you have to sign in before you get this 10 free credits, and this is completely for free on daily purposes. You can see how much credits every single model takes, and then you can just go into different AI editing features if you want to edit the image you have created. And if you want to see where your creations are, you can go into the projects and you can see all the past creations you have made. Give this site a try. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.